This screen is intended for the main system administrator, admin, only. In this video, we will explain the screen shown in front of you and how to use it step by step. Mastering this interface will streamline your daily workflow. It simplifies complex property cycles and drastically reduces the need for technical support. Understanding this single menu provides the foundation for full operational control over your entire property management lifecycle. Step 1 is setting up your assets. The property list allows you to record all the properties you own, capturing general details like the total cost and the number of units it holds. Next is the unit list. Here, you break down the property into individual units, like flats in a building. You can record the number of rooms, the purpose of use, and the specific cost of that unit. Once your physical assets are set, you move to the tenant customer list. This is where you log all tenant information, including personal details, contract status, and accounting activities like repayments. The menu also provides mapping tools to locate these assets, building statistics graphs for visual reporting, and an option to generate passwords so your tenants can access their portal. Completing this foundational setup of properties and tenants is strictly required. You must have this data in place before any financial or contractual documents can be generated by the system. Now let us look at the contracting phase. You start by generating a draft contract quotation. This offers a prospective customer specific unit allocations and detailed rent evaluations. Once that quotation is approved, you use the tenancy contract menu. The system automatically reads the data from the approved quote to generate the final, legally binding lease. This automated conversion from quote to contract completely eliminates manual data entry errors and saves significant administrative time. Next is managing taxes. You can easily print VAT specifically from the contract, as well as print VAT for any additional separate charges. To manage payments, use the Link Contract with Payments feature. This processes cash, current checks, and automatically manages post-dated checks by performing revised entries on their exact due dates. This payment linking is a critical feature. It ensures that your front-end real estate agreements perfectly match the back-end corporate accounting ledgers, completely avoiding double entry. Contracts eventually come to an end, and the system handles various scenarios. Pre-terminate contract calculates and refunds the remaining balance to the tenant. In contrast, release contract is used when a tenant leaves without a rent refund, returning only their security deposit. For tenants staying on, the renew contract workflow pulls forward their previous data, allowing you to easily adjust the rent price. You can also process deposit refunds and print renewal notices from this section. In the event of a legal dispute, you can use the eviction case for contract tool to handle the proceedings. Whether a tenant stays, leaves early, or enters a dispute, the system automatically maintains a perfect, auditable financial trail of the outcome. Moving to operations, this cluster of tools allows you to calculate property management commissions. It also enables you to create invoices and post deferred income for structured financial reporting. For daily property operations, you can log maintenance requests, generate specific notices for individual units, and send out general memos to notify all tenants at once. You will also find compliance tools to renew tenant passports and ID information, alongside links to access more system information in both Arabic and English. Combining this physical maintenance tracking with detailed financial tracking creates a comprehensive, holistic view of your property's health. You now possess the complete knowledge required to successfully manage the entire real estate documentary cycle, from initial asset registration all the way through to rent collection. Utilizing these tools correctly ensures an organized, efficient, and error-free workflow across your entire organization. For further support, including our Arabic video tutorials, please refer to our contact details shown on screen. You are now ready to take immediate, full control of your real estate environment within the Hinawi ERP system.